We all watch our favorite influencers share amazing discount codes. But when we finally try to use them, they are almost always expired.
Creators lose thousands in affiliate commissions simply because their audience cannot find, remember, or correctly paste their active promotional coupon codes. Right now, coupons are scattered everywhere across descriptions and stories. It's an absolute mess. That wastes both your time and your money. But what if we could solve this massive problem and build a brand new, highly profitable platform? Imagine a centralized hub called CodeQuest. CodeQuest is a revolutionary website and application where content creators and top influencers directly submit and update their exclusive live discount codes.
Users no longer need to search through endless old videos. Just search the creator's name, grab the active code, and save instantly.
Creators get a verified badge, earn consistent passive revenue from successful checkouts, and never lose another affiliate sale to broken links. By capturing a percentage of millions of daily e-commerce checkouts, this single platform scales instantly into a massive, highly lucrative tech business.
This is a digital goldmine waiting to be built. Share this video right now to show developers we want CodeQuest to become real.